How to use Office Word mobile app to edit and insert a picture in Word document. 1. Launch Word mobile app on your iPhone or Android phone. Log in and click on a new blank document. 2. We will learn how to insert and edit a picture in Word mobile. 3. Click on 3 horizontal dots. 4. Now we are inside Word ribbon for mobile. Tap on Home drop-down. 5. Now we will go inside Insert ribbon. Note that this ribbon and menus are similar to what we see on Word desktop app. 6. Inside Insert ribbon menu, tap on Pictures. 7. Now go inside your Photos library, tap on an album. You may have to give permission to app to access your mobile photos. 8. Select an album and select a picture. 9. Now you will see picture inside mobile at Word document. Note picture editing options. 10. You can do simple picture editing here. 11. Let's tap on Styles. 12. We can select Styles. Let's add black borders on picture. 13. Now we got black borders. You can crop and do lot more picture editing here. 14. You can save this Word doc and edit in your desktop app further. Note that doc is auto-saved. 15. And this finishes our quick tutorial on how to insert and edit a picture in Word mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Watch similar videos via hashtags. Hashtags: App Training, Mobile Apps, Word Mobile Office 365. Please do visit Kimavi.com. Please write to us and help us improve our videos. You can email us at admin@kimavi.com. How to use Office Word mobile app to edit and insert a picture in Word document.